Hello, my name is Navikanth, staying at Hyderabad. I am B.TECH graduate in the year of 2020 in a stream of information technology. I have joined the JSpiders in the month of September 2020. Before joining into the JSpiders, I have little knowledge about the technical skills Code Java and web technology. And after joining into the JSpiders, the faculty here, Vivek sir and Ningaras sir and Radha ma'am helped me to complete the full stack development course. Here the faculty are very helpful and very kind, and I recently I have placed in the muscle technologies. There is an LPL of starting 6 months it is 10K, and after 6 months it is 4.5 LPA, and I have placed as an reactjs developer here. So thank you to all the faculty which have been helpful to me to reach the success.